In this video, I'll discuss a few ways you can fix the black screen of your Samsung Galaxy A. So if your tablet doesn't turn on at all, what can you do? So let's start with the first thing you should do. Take your power adapter, plug it in the wall, and try to charge another device, not your tablet, but another device that takes the USB Type-C port. And this is simply to make sure that it's not the adapter the problem. If your other device is actually charging correctly, then plug it in the wall and plug it into your Samsung Galaxy Tab A and wait half an hour. Give it time, okay? Because if the battery is depleted, it will need to charge a bit before being able to actually use the device. If after half an hour you disconnect it and you try to boot it up by pressing the power button during at least 2-3 seconds and nothing is happening, then we can go to our second option, which is to make sure that the charging port of your tablet is not obstructed. What you can do is to take a toothpick, a wooden one, don't put metals in there, and gently really go around like this. You can go deeper because sometimes there's lint accumulating inside, and when you try to charge it, it actually doesn't charge the tablet because there's lint, there's something blocking there. So do this really gently, don't break anything, all right? And then you can even blow inside. If you have a air pressure can, you can blow a bit here. Just make sure that there's nothing blocking the USB-C cable to go in. Okay, so once you've done this, plug it back in the wall, let it sit during again half an hour and check if it's charged and working. Another thing you can do is that maybe the tablet is actually turned on, but the screen just stays black. You can try to restart it by pressing the power button and the volume down at the same time during 10 seconds. Okay, so let it press during 10 seconds and wait and see if the tablet will boot up just like it did. Once you see the Samsung logo, you're done. Release the buttons because your problem is gone. So hopefully one of these tricks works. I'm pretty sure by holding the power button and the volume down during 5-10 seconds will fix your problem, and you'll be able to enjoy your tablet for many more years, or yeah.